Hello guys, my name is Jason. Well, welcome to another SHAT car review of our giveaway 260 Zizzle.
Keep it coming. I say nothing. No, we running. And God we trust. My people in a tight spot. It's dark and hell is hot.
Alright, so you've seen every angle of the car in Adam's spicy B-roll just then. So I'm going to use this time while I've got your attention to drop and plug some of our sexy merch. Ooh! You wouldn't thought you'd catch me dead wearing the Wagoon jumper. Some of the boys in the factory give me shit about it, but I'm wearing it because I like the black one, and it's available on our store, KIR.com. Use that code SPICY for all my loyal YouTubers. And before you do that, also subscribe, because you want to be brought back straight to this video and this channel because it's got Kang content and we love you being here. Back to the 260Z. It's old, it's SHAT. It's not even a real JDM car. I'm gonna get all the hate. That's not true. It's a real JDM car. It's a classic. It's a Datsun. But I'm not a fan of old things. I need power steering in my life. I need a nice soft clutch.
He's a weak batch.
I need power, and this is none of them. But for your old timers and your classic lovers that grew up with their dad having a Datsun 260Z in their garage, this is for you. It's got all those sayings. It's been restored. It's got fresh metallic paint. It's got the Watanabe style wheels. It's got fresh interior in the leather, even with the Z emblem, which is spicy. And yes, you do get many looks when you're driving this thing, and it's, you know, a summer cruise, the perfect car to take out then. So what else we got? Toyo tires, R888 or something. I don't know why they're on there, apart from looking real good, because it's never going to spin them in its whole entire life, ever. Even in the wet. We filmed this giveaway video in the wet, no chance. Yes, I gave it a little pop of the clutch, nothing. Not even a nothing. Alright, jump around this side, let's have a look at this spicy interior. You're making the car look bad. Stop making it look bad. I'm not saying anything bad about it, and you're not even opening the door handle properly. What's this? The door handle's down here. Why? Old car things are just like, how can we make it impossible for those young'uns to figure out how to open the handles when they're 30? Gets me every time. How do I open it? I try and pull the bloody window winder.
First time I went to get out, it was like, where's the bloody handle? I was reaching for this one here.
Yeah, that's the handle. No, not where the normal handle goes. I'm going to put it down where your foot is while you're trying to accelerate, because you're trying to get out while driving. And also, last time I got in, which I can show you, I slammed the steering wheel on my leg like this. Oh, hell! That's stupid. Ain't no futuristic design car. It's got all the space in the world like my F250. It's got a mass thing here, the fridge and heated seats and big steering wheel. Fit my chunky ass in the seat. That's great. But no, it's all compact and stupid. Can't even fit anyone in the back seat there. Can't even fit Jassie's little batch legs back there. No chance. The interior is nice. It's got fresh carpet. All the gauges work. It's got this thing, which I don't know what it is. Something about choking batches, don't know. Starting the car, don't know. As for starting car, let's start her up. Let's choke her up, son. The wet part. Fuel pump. First time, every time. That's a choke. That's enough of that old school mang. Let's go have a look under this engine bay, this SHAT long motor. What is this? Where are you going, Adam? It doesn't open that way. Bloody old school things. What doing? What are you doing to me, Datsun? You're not even a Nassin. Not even an SR20. I can't even open it. Corey, help me. Got it. SR20.
That's an SR20.
That's an L260. Don't know. Is it? L26. I think it is. Something like that. 260z. L2 SHAT. 2.6. That's the target. I figured it out. Look how big that engine bay is. One other good point, if I have one of these, I mean, I know people like the classic motor in there, the 2.6, but you can fit a Barra in there, you can fit a 2J, you can fit an RB26, you can fit Corey in there. And that's about it for the engine bay. It's got twin carbs, it's got the spicy aftermarket extractors and 2.5 inch exhaust. Jassy polished up that radiator real nice for no reason. What else? It's got no rust, this thing, so that's a good point. Has been fully restored and freshly painted. L26. I don't know how to close it.
You gotta pull the latch up and then close it. There you go.
I broke it. What next? Let's have a look at that ass. Hope you enjoy these SHAT reviews. It's going to be the death of me, I reckon. I don't know how to review. Alright, it's got tail lights. It's got keeper Reet plate. It's got chrome bumper. That's old school.
You got all them chrome bumper mates.
It's got all them chromes all over it. I do like the arse end of these. I've been told that's a 2x2, whatever that means. It's not a piece of wood, it's not a 4x4, it's not a 2x4, it's a 4-seater. And apparently there's a 2-seater version, which everyone likes, but don't care. Still gangster. You can still cruise around looking like James Bond, in that James Bond salver. I'm sure that's what it says on if you look up the paint code. And it's cool, okay? It's old school. That's a nice emblem. Close the door, Adam. Don't you know how to close old school car door? It's got little pop out windows that pop out for when you shart yourself and all the fumes come out.
Specifically designed.
Yeah, specific designs. Even got little holes in the seat there for it. It's a funny little design there. If you look in there, can you focus in there, Adam? Right in there. It's got a little dome thing in there to store your table tennis balls. If you don't have this badge on, or you pull the badge off, put table tennis ball, put it back on, table tennis ball holder. That's what it's designed for. SHAT car reviews. And then you come around to the front. We'll finish back where we started. Yeah, it's more old school car, cool design things that look cool with funny headlight things and cool bonnets and stuff. And 260Z L26. Car reviews. Alright, we're going to finish it there. We're going to drive back. You can have a listen to it in the car. I hope you enjoyed this SHAT car review. Like and subscribe and tell me how bad I was at reviewing this car and how much better you could do it, how much better Jassy is and how much Jassy is the AU king. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Another SHAT point, can't even reach the seat, but Ori. Got him. That was easy.
Effortless.
Effortless. Got a manual rack made for no power steering. Said no one. Oh. Don't need to go to gym. That's power. Takumi.